Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use a password manager to share credentials securely with family. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to share credentials securely with your family using a password manager, create a family account or share vault within your chosen password manager and then add trusted family members to shared vault. So you need to choose a password manager with family features. So if you're looking for family features and family plans, some popular option may be Proton Pass or Keeper Family Password Manager. So once you go and simply install these apps from your Play Store App Store, you can simply set up a family account, create a central vault, add your family members, and simply share your credentials. Add to share vaults and use secure links to simply set expiration and share the link as well. You can also revoke access when needed, and this is how you can simply use a password manager to share credentials securely with your family. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.